Alright guys, so here is the little tutorial how to wrap the thread which we are sewing with our handlebar tapes to kind of make it look nice and polished. I mean, with the black leather I'm fine with just electrical tape, but if you want that nice little touch, extra touch to it, I would just use thread. So how you want to start? Is you want to make a little loop like that, and normally I would place it on the bottom, so once it's all tied you won't see it here, but for this video purposes I'm going to put it here on top. So just like that, and you start wrapping from this side and make sure you get the first line nice and straight. There you go. And just start wrapping. What you want to make sure is that the thread is kind of flat on one side, so every time you go around you always want to check that your thread is nice and flat and it's not rolled over to the short side. There we go. So we're just gonna keep going like that until we cover all the distance which we wanted to cover with it to hide the electrical tape. When you going around you want to pull it tight, but don't pull it too tight, because if you pull it too tight, what will happen in the end when we're going to try to hide the knot, you won't be able to pull it under the loops, if you know what I mean. So we're getting close to the end. There we go. So now the most important part, you want to go through the loop. I like to go twice too for extra security. There you go. So once we have that, you want to start pulling this one out. And there we go. So once we get, now is most difficult part, you kind of have to flatten it out and then pull real hard to get it squeezed right underneath there. There you go. Now we just trim it with the scissors and you're good to go. Like I said, normally I would do this on the bottom so you can't see it, but for the video purposes I put it on top just to guys kind of show you how it's done. Thank you.